My grandfather, James T. Saunders, was a designer draftsman. A designer draftsman is directed by a chief draftsman and prepares design layouts and provides guidance to other draftsmen on designated tasks. He also investigates and produces all data required to develop a design. He checks the quality, workmanship, and dimensions, together with the decimal and functional integrity of the design. As you can see, this job is very difficult. You can see this is a very difficult and complicated job. The education he needed for this was very impressive. He went to MIT in Cambridge, Massachusetts. He studied Technical Illustration 1 and 2. He also went to Massachusetts Trade Stop Schools. And he studied mechanical drafting and machine tool design. Then he also went to Wentworth Institute in Boston, Mass. There he did pattern management and machine tool design. The experience of college greatly contributed to his career. After doing all that, he was hired by American Science and Engineering, working on design and layout. The work consisted of wiring diagrams, logic diagrams, and intensity display counters. Then he went to the instrumentation laboratory, where he worked on the design and redesign of mechanical parts, structural frames, and sheet metal fabrication. His duties also included internal packing, consisting of power supplies. He started working for the city of Boston doing floor and furniture design layouts, interior building design, redesign, and painting and carpenter help. He also worked for Alice Controls in Boston as an electrical mechanical draftsman. His work included detail and fabrication of sheet metal parts and design layout of regulators, metal collaborators, and airborne equipment. He also did metal collaborators and airborne equipment. He also did silkscreen wiring and was familiar with compiling bill of material and military specifications. After working for Alice Controls, he worked for LFE Electronics in Boston. At this job, he did design and layout for mechanical parts and sheet metal fabrication of the Toledo project. I was looking through my grandfather's materials. I found some really cool blueprints, and I'm not sure what all the blueprints were, but some looked like buildings, designs, and others looked like designs for cameras. My mom told me that my grandpa designed the first camera lens to go to space. I'm amazed that he could do something like that. Also, when I was looking through his stuff, I found a folder of classified material that he had designed for the U.S. military. After researching some of the things he created, I found document numbers and dates that matched up to the list of inventions he made for the military. It has been really fun doing this project because I got to learn more about my grandfather and what he designed as a designer draftsman.